Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft Bedrock Edition on your mobile device. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is to simply go to your main App Store or Play Store, the official source to download any apps on your mobile device. Then from here, all you have to do is to either switch to the games console, where here you're going to see all the popular games, including Minecraft usually being in the top 10. Or you can simply go ahead and then search it in the search bar for Minecraft. And once you go in here, you're going to see it as the first result. Make sure that you choose the correct one, Minecraft Dream It and Build It, that is built by Mojang. This will automatically be the Bedrock version. There is no other official version to download for Minecraft. So once you have that, you're going to search for it and you find it right here. And make sure to avoid all the other ones that are shameless copies that may hack your computer or your phone. So make sure to find this one and download it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.